Hey, hey! Just roasting a marshmallow for our new Campfire Mule. Woohoo! Let's get over here and make it. First things first, with the mule, this mule, right? We're gonna be doing a mezcal. So we've got this actually really good Don Ramón Mezcal. And what's really cool about mezcals is that they have a little smoky flavor, some of you may know. And the reason we have this smoky flavor is because traditionally what they would do is they would take any agave and they would bury it in the ground with a big fire. And they'd come back the next day, of course they'd cover it up, they'd come back the next day and they'd dig it up and they'd press it and then you'd have mezcal. So we've got 1.5 ounces of mezcal in our little shaker. Then to kind of calm it down a little bit, we're going to do some Disaronno. Now Disaronno is a almond liqueur. It's really good. Even by itself, it's good. So let's go ahead and add this in there with that. So we got 3/4 ounce right into there. Put that cap back on. Man, this cap looks so big for this little bottle. There we go. All right, and then we also are gonna have a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Probably it's only gonna take about half a lime. Let's go ahead and get that cut. And our cool little juicer. And so we're gonna just press this half into there. Just like that. And that's about 1/2 ounce. Set this to the side. And then, super cool, we've got our Betty's Buzz ginger beer. And the way you know this is the real deal is if you let this sit overnight, you're gonna see the little sediment in the bottom, which is real ginger. So we're just gonna make sure it's nice and combined in here and take our cool bottle opener. It's like a little fish. And we're just gonna get this bad boy open. Just like this. There we go. Just like that. And we're doing 4 ounces. So we're gonna go right here, 1.5 ounces, 3 ounces, and then 4 ounces. Now what's important to keep in mind, since ginger beer is carbonated, we cannot shake this drink.
Yeah, make a mess.
You might get a little surprised. So we're just gonna do a little stir in here, get it nice and combined inside. And then we're gonna set this to the side for a second because we've gotta make our garnish. So what's really cool about this garnish is you can make them ahead of time and just have them set to the side. Or if you're making it for yourself or just for a couple friends, you can make it to order. So let's get 2 of these marshmallows out of here and our skewer, and we're just gonna push it right in just like that. There we go. Get one more. And you just wanna make sure that you have a little room on each side so that you can set it on the rim of your glass, right? So we're gonna set that to the side. Now you could pre-toast it like we did here. You could use that just on the side of your little setup and people can add it to their cocktails if they want to. Or we can take our glass, get our ice cubes or ice balls. We're gonna place 2 of them inside of our glass, just like that. And then we're gonna take our mule mixture. We're just gonna pour that right over the top. Just like that. Oh, it's so fragrant. I can smell just about all of it. All right, and now we're getting to the fun part. So we're gonna take our garnish, we're gonna set that right over the top. We're gonna take our lighter.
Wait just a minute, mister. You might need that.
Okay.
I do know you.
What do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Yes. Okay, so you can take your little torch and we can toast these marshmallows or light them on fire to get the campfire. So let's get that going. Oh yeah. So we've got the little campfire and oh yeah, that smells like a nice little campfire. You're out camping, you got your little marshmallows roasting over the fire. So I guess all that there's left to do is taste this bad boy, huh?
Yeah, the good
Get over
part.
here. I think I'm gonna have a marshmallow.
And be thankful you didn't burn down the place.
You want marshmallow?
Oh, well, thank you.
Oh my gosh,
I'm good, isn't it?
that's really good. Guys, that marshmallow even goes perfectly with that. A little smokiness, the ginger, a little bit of lime, the acid to kind of balance it.
But that amaretto really helps because some mezcals can
Does.
be
Let me get some more of that.
overly smoky, but that amaretto, it's a really good flavor. I like it. That's better than a lot
Yeah,
of smoky drinks that we've had.
it is.
Oh, good job.
Thank you. And that, like you said, that mezcal is not a super potent mezcal, so
It's got a really cool lid too.
it does. That little top is super cool.
Not gonna lie, I did pick this out because of that.
Well, you picked good because that it's very smooth,
Yeah, it is good.
and yeah, I've got to say, if you're of age, you've got to try this. It's
Definitely. It's really good.
it's worth it.
Well, good job. All right. Well, unfortunately, there's only one glass. So I think they're going to have to go.
Yep.
Like, subscribe, and all that
Comment, let us know what you
And
think.
You got to make me one.
Yeah. So I guess we'll get started on that.
That's right. Oh, yeah. You guys, get on out of here.
Yep.
Until next time, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho.
And
Now
keep
make
drinking.
me a drink.
What do you mean? You can have some of this one.
I want my own.
Fine.
All right.